Which country has recently approved the construction of the first space center in the deep waters of the South China Sea? A. America, B. India, C. China, D. Russia. Answer is C. China. Question: the Chief Minister of which state has been chosen as the best Chief Minister of India in the Mood of the Nation survey? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Tamil, D. Assam. So answer is D. Assam. Where is Northeast Unity Mahotsav being organized under the theme One Voice, One Nation? Option A. Hyderabad, B. Guwahati, C. New Delhi, D. Aizawl. Answer is C. New Delhi. Question: recently, America and India have set a target of doubling bilateral trade in the next how many years? A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, D. 6 years. Answer is C. 5 years. Question: which family ranks first in the recently released Bloomberg list of Asia's 20 richest families? A. Srivanant family, B. Mukesh Ambani family, C. Hartono family, and D. Mistry family. So answer is B. Mukesh Ambani family. Recently, the chairman of which group has been honored with the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire Award? A. Reliance, B. Mahindra, C. Tata, D. Infosys. Answer is C. Tata. Which state is on top in the recently released Devolution Index report on panchayats? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Answer is B. Karnataka. The objective of the recently discussed concept of gross domestic knowledge product is: A. Measuring the contribution of cultural activities to the economy, B. Measuring the condition of traditional activities to the economy, C. Measuring the contribution of technology-based activities to the economy, D. Measuring the contribution of knowledge-based activities to the economy. Answer is D. Measuring the contribution of knowledge-based activities to the economy. Who has inaugurated the International Conference on Unani Medicine in New Delhi? A. President Draupadi Murmu, B. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, C. Home Minister Amit Shah, D. None of this. Answer is A. President Draupadi Murmu. When is International Child Cancer Day celebrated to increase awareness about childhood cancer? A. 15 February, B. 16 February, C. 17 February, D. 18 February. Answer is A. 15th February. Recently, which state has announced the new Nadi Bandhan scheme for the people living on the river banks? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Odisha, D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer is B. West Bengal. Which country has recently announced the sale of highly advanced F-35 fighter aircraft to India? A. France, B. Russia, C. America, D. Japan. Answer is C. America. At present, what is India's position globally in fish export? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer is D. Fourth. Which country has recently announced the organization of an emergency Arab summit on 27 February? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Iraq, C. Iran, D. Egypt. Answer is D. Egypt. Recently, which country has announced to impose reciprocal tariffs on all trading partners including India? A. France, B. Brazil, C. Canada, D. America. Answer is D. America.